Hey guys, it's good to see you. Thanks for taking the time to check in. Got a quick one for you today. I just wanted to touch base and update you on a few things going on in the marketplace, as well as what's coming right here on our Corvette channel. And yeah, man, yeah, I'm in my 2023 that I picked up Tuesday at the National Corvette Museum. What a special event. That really just elevates the whole experience. We'll talk a lot about that and share that experience with you guys on our Sunday Coffee with Conti show. And I'm so impressed, those that were able to make it. And I think there was thousands of people that were watching us. I got screenshots from all over the place that were watching us on the webcams. Thanks, you guys. That support really means a lot. And coming up in a second, I'm going to give you some immediate field differences in my 23 versus my 2021. I mean, it really, I do this every day. I'm in these cars every day, and this still got my attention. But real quick, let's update you on the marketplace that's all over out there on the internet. We put some stuff on socials. I had known on Tuesday, I wanted to wait, now it's official. We were doing the plant tour, and they told us more than likely that next week Corvette assembly is going to be shut down. And what I found out yesterday from one of my intels, there's a chance this freaking thing could be down for 2 weeks. So that's not confirmed yet. Once we know, we'll let you know. And what that does is it shifts all the build weeks. It shifts all the museum deliveries. It changes everybody's schedule. It's not what they want to do. It's just, again, this, what I tell you guys just recently in the video, the parts issue is a bigger issue. It's not in the headlines, but it's still going on. All right, let's get through this light here real quick. But when I was in the plant, I got a chance to see in person, because I couldn't make it to Chicago. I saw the Sorry, man. I saw the Cacti on a hood. I have to admit, it looks better already inside on a hood. I haven't seen a whole car. A lot of you guys got a chance to see a whole car that were traveling the car show circuits. I haven't seen that yet. It looks better than I thought. We don't have the detailed information. Is that going to be our free flow color, or is it going to be only available with that dark green, that Artemis interior? That's what I suspect, but we won't get the order guide until sometime in April. Once we do, we'll be able to get some more information on what's going to be available for the 2024 Corvette. But the Cacti looked a little better. That's a trendy color, just like caffeine was. Never intended to be a volume color, just to give you something different to the palette. So interesting to see that nonetheless. All right, so with the plant shutdown coming next week, and again, as I said, possible, I hope the heck it's not, but they're doing all they can. If it's a 2-week shutdown, how will that, because it will affect overall allocations. I mean, March allocations are just totally jacked up. How does it affect, everybody wants to know, how does it affect Z06? I mean, is there a Z06 allocation for March? It's supposed to be the second cycle toward the end of the month. We'll let you know once we find out. Will that be the last one? Is there a Z06 allocation for April? And that too could be the very last one. It's probably the last one for overall for 2023 Corvette as a whole. I suspect that numbers for allocation will be bigger. I mean, they can't get any smaller than they were in March, so hell yeah, they gotta be bigger next month. Got a lot of people waiting, a lot of people we got to put in pay again, and it's not our doing. It is the result of this ever-changing marketplace, guys. So I do apologize. I want to share that with you. We're not trying to be difficult. I hear all kinds of stories, and I'll give you an incident. I had one guy that we were trying to place an order with, and he didn't with us, and he goes, oh, I got my order placed somewhere else, but I got the gloss black wheels, so it's on constraint. So your order's not placed. Great. Well, I've got a stack of those too, brother. It's frustrating for all of us. I do apologize. It is crazy. Also, too, when I was in the plant on Tuesday, our tour guide, John, did a great job. And as a retailer, I look at things just a little bit differently. John goes, hey, did you see? I go, yeah, John, I saw that. Every 5 cars was a Z06. That's the most that they've been doing. And I told him, you know what? It's just, it feels like it's a little too late. They're trying to play catch up and do the very best they can with what materials they have to actually build the car. So that was good news to see that every 5 cars they were making a Z06. I actually had a couple of Z06s come offline yesterday. Got my cheat sheet notes right here. Regular Z06s, we got VIN 1056, and I got a 70th anniversary car going to Chris in Arizona, 156. So right now, according to my count that I can access, just over 1,200 Z06s made for 2023. And I predicted early on, don't know if I shared it with you guys on the channel, I was talking to people off camera and stuff, and I just said, we're probably 1,500, 2,000 if we get lucky, but looks like 1,500 or less is going to be the number for the 2023 Z06, which was supposed to be 25 to 30% of overall production of Corvette. Not even close. All right, so now let's talk about something fun. My car. Now, this is not just for personal enjoyment. I use this car constantly as a tool to inform you guys, educate you guys, and entertain you guys. This Sunday on this YouTube channel, Corvette only on this channel. If you're first here, thank you for joining us. Subscribe, come back and check us out. Sunday's our Coffee with Conti show. I want to share with you the delivery experience I had at the National Corvette Museum. And of course, I had to ham it up a little bit. You saw the pictures on social in the Evel Knievel costume. Keep the people talking, and that's what Ricky likes to do. It was fun. It was crazy. It was so cool to see so many of you there. Thank you for taking the time out of your personal lives to be there for me in the delivery of this car. Real quick, I want to tell you the immediate feel differences in this car. And again, I'm around the car every single day, and I guess it just really wasn't glaring in my face. My 2021, in case you didn't know, was a non-Z51. I just added the Z51 spoiler, and I did have mag ride on the car. And the car was just a great performer. On track, we could go to sport, or track and go to competitive driving mode, and she handled fantastic. What I didn't notice was, Ryan said it immediately too, he says, wow, I'm in touring mode, and the car just feels tighter. Not because it's a new car, because it's a Z51. It feels tighter. It just feels like it has a stronger presence on the road. And a couple of little curvy roads we've been doing on the way back from Bowling Green and around here in Ohio, because right now I'm not really broke in. The first break-in period, I'm at 393 miles now. And remember, it's 500 for the first break-in, and it's 1,500 before you do any real aggressive and performance driving. And when we take some of those curvy roads, you could feel, not that there was a lot of the previous car, but you could feel less body roll in this car. So we're getting more coolers, bigger brakes, different gearing. Performance exhaust comes in Z51. Yeah, we've got the performance tires. I'm actually going to switch these out for my daily drive. I'm going to do all season tires, but I'm excited what the Z51 is going to give me an opportunity to do on track. I'm going to change out my high-speed track tires to the Toyo Triple R8s, and I'll use the Z51 tires around the car now for like low-speed autocross and stuff through the cones. Over here in Columbus at Obet's we did, up in Perrysburg and some other places we get a chance if we can get out of the office and participate in Corvette lifestyle and have fun and show you that culture within the culture of Corvette. And immediately, because of the things that we did in the past car, we shared all kinds of accessories, and we've got a ton more to do. I'm having a tough time trying to get stuff that I need to get done. I need to get PPF done. That's the paint protection film, clear bra, if you will. Ceramic coating I need to get done. I need to get the 2 quarts of transmission fluid added. I got a big box, an unboxing coming up soon on the channel from Paragon. And I've actually decided there's one more. Hey, Paragon, you watching, man? There's one more thing that I want to say want. I really want to say need. Yeah, I think I need it. It's really, I want it, but I need it to kind of complete everything I'm doing inside this car. And it's thanks to a lot of the products that you guys offer. And I can't wait to share you, again, to encourage you to do some of these things to your Corvettes, to just take it another level, make it personal, make it just a little more classy. That's what I intend to do on the inside of this car. So I miss my tint. I didn't realize it because I told you guys, and if you missed that video, link down below in the description when I did the first tint. That was a big deal, so we made a content using my car. I've never went out in my entire life and went out and had a car tinted. That was a big deal to me. I got in this car leaving Bowling Green, I'm like, oh man, I miss my freaking tint, so I got to get the tint. And then Ryan says, he looks in the mirror like this, and he goes, hey, where's the blue tint wide angle mirrors with the turn signal? I go, well, those are from Paragon. He goes, oh, I missed those. Those are cool. I never realized. I said, yeah, I know. Now that you don't have it. Yeah, so a lot of cool stuff still to come on this car. We're going to share that with you on the channel to keep you guys informed and give you ideas on some things that you can do to your car, that you don't have to go bonkers. You don't have to redo the engine. You can still accessorize your car, do it affordably, and still make it a lot of fun. All right, guys, hey, thanks for joining and listening for this quick chat today and a number of things I'm going to have to do because the new car availability is absurd right now. And I've got some really nice used Corvettes in stock. We've not done this in, 4 or 5 years? An inventory walk. I'll do an inventory walk soon on the channel as well for used cars. I've got a used 70th anniversary white pearl convertible coming in on trade. If you're interested, contact me directly. Number's up on the screen. You can text me there, call me, you can email me if you wish. Be happy to get back to you and see if we can't make that happen. I've just got a lot of content I'm excited to share for you guys. I'm going to take that extra effort to get that out there. Talking to so many people at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, it touches me on how we're affecting you guys and how much you really do rely on either my personal feedback or sharing customer experiences, and you really do get into the stuff that we're sharing on the channel. Again, I said before, I think we have something very special. I think we have something, and I know I don't have to think, I know we've got something very unique on this channel. I appreciate your support. Thumbs up this video, make some comments down below. I can't wait to share the full experience. Yeah, I had to pause for a second just thinking about that. I mean, what a day. You know what's really cool too? You guys can't see it. I'll throw a picture slide up here. This right there, baby boy, that's right. Stop Dreaming, Start Driving plaque. Again, we'll have to do that vlog soon. More on that coming up, but I've got the museum emblem on there. That is really, really special to me. It makes me so proud to own this car. We've got a lot of adventures we're about to share, and one of which we're going to tease in Sunday's video. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.